Hello world, this is me. I want to explain to you something in programming called breadth first search. Um, it's an algorithm that's used in many things, okay? And I do not know exactly or have any introduction to be honest with you. I just open the camera and I'll explain to you something called breadth first search. Okay. Our first search is a search, okay. And search, what is search in general or in real life? A search is taking steps, and every step you will ask yourself: is this my goal? Is this have I found the things that I'm looking for? And if not, you will take steps again and ask again. And for every steps, you will ask yourself this. And if you found it, okay, you will stop. That's the search. Okay, how about the PF? The PF is called press first. I know it's weird. I know some jargon in computer science, but don't worry, I'm with you. A press first search is a search that try to find the shortest path, path to your goal. Okay, so it's not only search, but it's trying to find you the shortest path. Okay, the minimal steps. It depends on the context. Okay, I don't understand anything from you. Okay, don't worry, I'm with you. Okay, so let us say you are a proud owner of a mango farm. You're a proud owner of mango farm, so basically you are looking for a mango seller to sell your mangoes. Okay, so what you will do? Okay, you will do first, let's say your connections. Okay, you have your friends. Okay, let's say you have 4 friends. Okay, and you will go first, and that's called first degree relatives or connections. And you will go for your friend 1 and ask him, are you a mango seller? And he will respond to you, nah man, I'm not a mango seller. Okay, so you'll ask the other person, the other friend of yours, are you a mango seller? And he responds, unfortunately, with no. Okay, and so on until you get to the 4th friend. Are you a mango seller, man? Please, I want a mango seller to sell our mangoes. And also, unfortunately, he will respond with you with no. So what you will do in this case, I think you will ask your friends of your friend. Okay, so let's say this Mike, okay, that you ask him in the first place, and he's not a mango seller. So I think you will go for asking his friends. After considering all of your friends, all your first degree, you will have to ask their friends. I know that in real life is not convenient, especially for the introverts, but you will have to do this to looking for a livelihood, okay, looking for money. Okay, so you will go for their friends. Let's say Mike have 2 friends only, just to shorten the video, and you will ask their friends, are you a mango seller? And will say no. Okay. Are you a mango seller? No. Okay. So I will consider the friends of, say, this Alice. Okay, Alice. Okay. I'll ask friends of Alice. Are you a mango seller? No. Are you a mango seller? No. Okay. So I will go for let's say third person of the third friends is Charlie. And you will go for the friends of Charlie. Are you a mango seller? Okay, just because I had enough. So yeah, I'm a mango seller. Okay, so you finished. So basically, here what we have done, we looked for we search. First of all, we make a search. Okay, by every time taking steps or ask our friend, and if not, we went for the next friend, and if not, we went for the next friend. And if we finished our friends, we went for their friends. Okay, so we finished Mike and Charlie and Alice and blah blah blah. We went to the friends of Mike, and we finished the friends of Mike. We went to the friends of Alice, and so on. That's the second degree. Suppose in our scenario that all of the friends of your friends aren't a mango seller. None of them is a one of them is a mango seller. Okay, so you will start to look for the third degree. And what is the third degree? Is the friends of the friends of friends. Okay, so that's your friends, first degree, and that's the friends of your friends, and none of them is a mango seller, so you were looking for the friends of the friends of the friends, you will get to the third degree. I know it's exhausting and socializing, but you have to gain money. Okay, so basically here Paris first search is looking for first degree, then second degree, then third degree. It will not get into the second degree because it's not convenient to you, not actually because of this, but because it's the algorithm how it works. It will not get into second degree before it will finish all of the first degree. How press first search can do something like this? It uses the idea of who came first, who I will ask first. And how is this? By the idea of, when you stand in the queue to purchase something in the market, so the one who came first, the one who will purchase first, or the one who will buy first and purchase from the cashier, right? Okay, so this idea is called queue. And queue in real life, how this works? The one who came first, the one who will purchase first, who will have his needs to be done. Okay, so Mike came first because I know. Okay, Mike and Alice and Charlie and so on. And then who came first? Alice, Charlie. Okay, and the fourth friend, I will ignore him. Okay, so Mike have a friend. Friends of Mike came first, or friends of Alice? Friends of Mike, because we consider Mike first, because Mike came first. Okay, right? So friends of Mike will stand there after finishing Alice and finishing Charlie, and we will consider friends of Mike. Friends of Mike came first, or Alice or Charlie? Alice, because we consider Alice before, and so on. That's the idea of red first search. I hope you get the idea of the queue, and the first one came, the first one is out. In general, my friend, one thing about programming I want to say to you, okay, yeah, I know I cut the video and return back, is the idea of programming itself. The programming is consists of two things, which that's for me, okay, the thing of the part of ideology, okay, the logical steps, the methodology, or in the popular word is algorithm. The algorithm, the logical steps we can take, and the code. The algorithm is such the queue, the idea of the queue. The idea of the first one came, the first one is out. The idea of asking every time, okay, are you a mango seller or not? Are you our goal or not? Because our goal in this context is to find out who is the mango seller for us. That's the idea. That's the algorithm. Okay. We can say also, I don't know. I think that's enough. Okay. The coding is to as I wrote here. The coding is to convert this, to convey these ideas, the cues, the ideas of people standing in real life, and simulate it in our problem, such as this problem is a mango seller, and we want computer to find for us the mango seller from our connections. Okay, but the shortest path, okay, do not go deep, because that will affect our time and our memory in computer programming, in the computer. And if we are in hurry, or if we are also, we want to be the closest degree, like I prefer the first degree than second degree, or if I didn't find in the first degree, I prefer the second degree than third degree, and so on. Because for example, an introvert person like me, okay, so that's it. Okay, I cut again the video. Okay, and here is the coding. Okay, so we have the algorithm, the methodology, and that's the entertainment. I think that's the entertainment part, because entertainment part is knowing behind the scenes, knowing how things really works. Okay, so something like get to me the shortest path to mango seller, or in real world also it used like getting for me the shortest path to get in this location. Okay, you have a multiple passes, a multiple paths to your location that you want to go into, and I made a program to you that gets you the shortest path. How is the shortest path? Is the idea of the breadth first search. Okay, the first one came, the first one in, always looking for the first degree, then second degree, and then the third degree and fourth degree. So breadth first search prefers the first degree, then second degree then third degree, and so on and so on. Okay, so that's how it is. It gets to you the shortest path, because listen to me. For example, your relatives. Okay, your connection between your first degree is more stronger than the second degree, and so on. Okay, so again, that's the idea of the ideology, the methodology, algorithm, the way of thinking. Okay, coding is just conveying those ideas, like you first in, first out, and all of these things into something can computer understand and grasp. Okay, and that's by coding, and that's coding come into play. Coding is to convey this, to convert this into a way computer can understand and can perform, like asking, are you a mango seller? Like searching for my connections, like searching for my friends too, because I'm not a mango seller and none of your first degree is a mango seller, so he's going to ask the second degree, our friends. How we will convey that to computer? Of course, computer will not understand our language, so we'll use coding, and that's also an entertainment part. But for me, you have to understand this first to be able to be have an excitement, interested to know how we can convert this or encode this into computer to understand this. And here I wrote this. It's okay to know the idea, to know how 60% of the coding and 40% from ChatGPT or vice versa. But the core is to understand the core, to understand the essence of the problem. Okay, and coding will come by the time. By the time you will be able to code, and it's okay, very okay, to get support from ChatGPT. Okay, in the next video I want to explain this. Okay, how do we use the idea of breadth first search to solve a game called Snake and Ladders. It's not a fancy game, I know, it's not Call of Duty for example. It's a fancy game that we used to play in our childhood. I want to explain this. Okay, how can computer, knowing that we have snakes and ladders, how can computer find for us the shortest path to reach there, like to move here, okay, for example, to then transfer to here, then transfer to here, then transfer to here, to get to 36. What is the shortest path? Okay, yeah, that's I will explain in the next video. Okay, thank you, and I hope you get or grasp something about programming and have a little, at least a little intuition about what is programming and what is the breadth first search. Okay, thank you for watching.